In bustling commercial kitchens, the air is thick with the aroma of culinary creations. But behind the delicious scents lies a challenge: managing the high volume of cooking odors. Effective odor control is crucial for a pleasant dining experience. Green Ladder Technologies offers cutting-edge solutions with their Green Matrix flat panel and GLT V-Bank bonded carbon filters. These filters are designed to reduce cooking odors over time, ensuring cleaner air and a more enjoyable environment for both staff and patrons. The GLT V-Bank filter, made from virgin coconut shell carbon, excels in capturing contaminants. Meanwhile, the Green Matrix flat panel provides disposable odor control, making it a practical choice for busy kitchens. Regular maintenance with GLT 33 detergent keeps kitchen exhaust systems clean, enhancing filter performance. Add in an AGX Fresh Air 500 for rapid VOC odor neutralization. The extensive line of Green Ladder odor control solutions ensures your kitchen remains efficient and odor-free. Incorporate these solutions for a fresher kitchen environment.